Hello everyone, I'm going to be absent on Friday, so this video is to help you navigate through your assignments while I am out. The lesson that you started on Wednesday and Thursday is the Injury and Violence Prevention Lesson 1, Risky Behaviors. Just in case you did not see how to create your PowerPoint that goes along with this, I'm going to show you. So the first part of your lesson is to review the PowerPoint that's been posted, read through the materials, become familiar with the terms and the different behaviors that are considered as risky behaviors. At the end of this PowerPoint, you will see an example of a mind map, which is part of your written assignment that you'll need to complete. For your written assignment, you're going to right-click on this individual copy that is posted with your name. You're going to open it in a new tab. You'll see that that opens up here. When you do that, you're going to open it into Google Slides. Once you click here to open in Google Slides, you will now see that you have a copy that you can edit. So coming up to the top is the beginning. There's a page here to go over the directions. When you get to the third slide, you'll see that there is a statement or a question at the top of the page. Your job is to answer each of these questions in the body of the page. When you finish completing the 4 questions that are posted in this assignment, then you are going to upload this back into the assignment tab to show me that you're done. The last step is to complete a mind map. This mind map, again, the example is in the other PowerPoint, and you are going to complete one either using digital images and text boxes on a blank Word document, or you can get a blank sheet of paper and pencils and color pencils and color it all in that way. So either way you want, but the finished product will get turned in on Monday. Right, so going back, that again is the lesson 1. If you finish that up before the end of the class, you are welcome to preview lesson 2. As you see, lesson 2 is focused on bullying. In this case, there is a video link attached. You only need to watch segments 3 and 4. And then after watching that, you can review your PowerPoint. There is a handout that the substitute teacher will provide that is a questionnaire for you to answer, and then there's directions on how to self-check that particular handout. That should be completed. There is a digital copy here for you to preview if you'd like. And last is to respond to the Padlet that's been posted. So right here you'll see the lesson 2 Padlet, and you're just writing the words agree or disagree for each of the statements here. So go through and read each statement, and once you have read it, in the comment section you're going to write either agree or disagree. When we have our class on Monday and Tuesday, we're going to go through and look at each of these and discuss how each of these plays out into bullying as a support or against it, and how it looks in the school versus your lives outside of school. So that wraps up what to do while I'm out. Hope you enjoy a great weekend, and maybe we'll have some snow on Monday. See you then.